Hello, amazing English learners. Have you ever felt that little knot in your stomach when your phone rings and you see an English name on the screen? Or maybe you need to make an important call in English and suddenly your mind goes blank? You're not alone. Speaking English on the phone can feel like a superpower, but for many of us, it's more like a super challenge. Why? Because we can't see the other person's face, their gestures, or their body language. It's just voices. And sometimes that can be really intimidating. But guess what? You absolutely can master phone conversations in English, even if you're at an A1 or A2 level. Today, we're going to break it down, step by step, with practical tips and real-life examples that will help you feel more confident and in control. So, grab a pen and paper, or just listen closely, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to speak English confidently on the phone. My first and most important tip is prepare, prepare, prepare. Think of it like this. You wouldn't go into an exam without studying, right? A phone call is similar. Before you dial, take a moment to think about why you're calling and what you need to say. Even for simple calls, a little preparation goes a long way. Let's imagine a few common scenarios. Scenario A, booking an appointment, for example, doctor, dentist, hair salon. What you need to say, you need to state your name, what you want to book, and your preferred time or date. Key phrases to write down. Hello, I'd like to book an appointment, please. For doctor's name or service, please. Is day, date, time available? For example, is Tuesday, July 15th at 10 a.m. available? My name is your full name. My phone number is your phone number. Scenario B, asking for information. For example, store opening hours, product details. What you need to say. You need to introduce yourself, which is optional. State your purpose and ask your specific question. Key phrases to write down. Hello, I'm calling to ask about your opening hours. Are you open on Sundays? Do you have product name in stock? What is the price of item? Scenario C, confirming details. For example, a meeting, a delivery. What you need to say. You need to state your name, what you're confirming, and the details you want to verify. Key phrases to write down. Hello, I'm calling to confirm my appointment for tomorrow. It's at 2 p.m., correct? My delivery is scheduled for date. Is that right? Write these phrases down. Practice saying them out loud a few times. This simple step will reduce your nervousness significantly because you won't be searching for. My second tip is crucial. Listen actively. And if you don't understand something, it's perfectly okay to ask for clarification. In a phone call, you don't have visual cues, so misunderstanding can happen easily. Native speakers also ask for clarification, so don't feel embarrassed. Here are some polite and common phrases you can use. To ask for repetition. Could you please repeat that? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you say it again? Pardon. A short, polite way to ask for repetition. To ask for slower speech. Could you speak a little slower, please? Please speak more slowly. To confirm what you heard. So, you said rephrase what you heard? Is that right? Did you say specific word or number? Just to confirm, rephrase the key detail. Real-life example. You, hello, I'd like to book an appointment. You hear something, but it's unclear. You, sorry, could you please repeat the time? Other person. Yes, 3:30 p.m. You, 3:30 p.m. Got it, thank you. Asking for clarification shows that you are engaged and want to understand correctly. It's a sign of good communication, not a sign of bad English. Remember, it's better to ask than to misunderstand and make a mistake. My third tip is keep your sentences simple and clear. You don't need to use fancy words or complex grammar structures, especially at the A1, A2 level. Focus on getting your message across effectively. Short, direct sentences are your friends on the phone. For example, instead of, I am experiencing a situation where I require immediate assistance regarding my internet connection. Say, my internet isn't working. I need help. Instead of, could you please inform me of the scheduled time for our upcoming gathering? Say, when is the meeting? Simple is always better for clarity, especially when you can't see the other person. And a bonus part of this tip? Practice your numbers. Phone numbers, dates, times, and prices are very common in phone calls. Misunderstanding a single digit can cause big problems. Practice saying numbers clearly, especially similar-sounding ones like 13 and 30 or 15 and 50. Practice saying your own phone number. My number is 0789 555 1234. Practice saying dates, August 15th, 2025. Practice saying times, 3:30, 3:30, 4:45. This might seem basic, but clear numbers are essential for successful phone communication. So, to recap our key tips for speaking English confidently on the phone. First, prepare. Write down key phrases and practice them. Second, listen actively. Don't be afraid to ask for repetition or clarification. Third, keep it simple. Use clear, direct sentences and practice your numbers. Remember, every phone call is an opportunity to practice and improve. You are learning, and making mistakes is part of the process. Be patient with yourself. Be brave, and celebrate every successful phone call. You've got this. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more English learning content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson. And tell us in the comments below, what's one phone call you're going to make in English this week? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.